Hey everybody, and thanks for watching 3dmotive.com. I'm Bill Gladys, and in this video we're going to continue with our third and final volume for Cascade, which is UDK's built-in particle and visual effects editor. Now this video is aimed at beginner levels. We're assuming that you have some basic UDK skills, very basic 3D modeling skills in a package of your choice, and an intermediate understanding of an image editing program like Photoshop. And hopefully you're joining us from our first two volumes on Cascade. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's take a look at, again, where we've been and where we're going. So we learned about the Cascade interface. We learned about, a lot of the core elements and core modules that make up a particle system. We've went into volume 2 and we applied those different modules and learned how to emit from meshes. We made some more complicated particle systems and placed them in levels. And we've learned about, some material tricks and some things like flipbooks to make fire and smoke that are realistic. So for this final volume, we're going to start learning about the orbit module. We're going to spend a great deal of time talking about that. And we've got two examples here. We've got our little mist vortex going on here. That's using the orbit module to get those particles to spin around. And then we're also using the orbit module here to get this kind of like nebulous look, this little dark energy spore that I've got going. And then we're going to start learning about the ribbon module, and we're going to learn about how we can use that to make trails. And we can see that trail example that we're going to learn how to make here with this fire sword. And it's got a cool little energetic element happening on the blade, but we can see that really nice, long, streaky ribbon that's following behind it. And then for the final part of our series, we're going to talk about optimization and things like fill rate and overdraw and bounds and things that we can do as on the particle end to make sure that our particles and visual effects are running at the best speed that they can and that we're not hindering performance for the entire game. So let's go ahead and get started.